Okay, so I just read that Entity Framework Core lets you interact with databases using C#. Like, how cool is that?
Right? It's like mapping your database into objects in your code. It's so natural to work with.
Exactly. And think about it. No more writing endless SQL queries, just LINQ queries. That's wild.
Totally. It makes the whole process feel way more intuitive, like you're just telling your program what you want.
But wait, it supports so many databases, right? Like SQL Server, SQLite, and even Azure Cosmos DB?
Yes, and it does that through provider plugins. So it's super flexible depending on your project needs.
Wow, that's actually kind of revolutionary. You can swap out your database backend without rewriting tons of code.
Exactly. And when you think about the installation, it's as simple as adding a NuGet package. How user-friendly is that?
And the daily builds. I mean, you can get the latest features and help improve the product. That's seriously engaging.
Right? It's like being part of a living project. You're not just a user. You can actively contribute.
Speaking of contributing, I found out they welcome community pull requests for fixes and enhancements. How cool is that?
It's awesome. Plus, that really enhances the documentation too. More eyes mean more clarity, you know?
Yeah, and the support aspect is fascinating. They recommend using Stack Overflow for questions. That's a smart move.
Totally. It builds a community of users helping each other, which is often more effective than formal support channels.
And did you see the basic usage example? It's so straightforward. You just create a DB context and start interacting.
For real, the way it abstracts data operations, you can focus on your application logic instead of the nitty-gritty SQL.
Exactly. And how about that piece about defining models? It feels like you're crafting your data structure in C#.
Right. It's like object-oriented design applied to databases. That gives me chills.
On top of that, the change tracking feature, it automatically keeps track of what changes, so you don't have to.
That's amazing. Imagine not worrying about syncing your changes back to the database.
But here's the crazy part. Schema migrations. You can update your database as your app evolves.
I know. It's like having a built-in version control for your database schema. So smart.
Okay, but what about the Microsoft.data.SQLite provider? I mean, it's lightweight and super handy.
Absolutely, think about it. You can use it independently or with efcore. Very versatile.
So it keeps making things easier. Just a few lines of code and you're interacting with a database.
Totally. And hey, those daily builds for Microsoft Data at SQLite, same philosophy as efcore, right?
Yes, it encourages community feedback to shape development. That's like an agile approach in action.
And speaking of agile, the basic usage example with ADONet abstractions is a neat way to separate concerns.
Yes, using connections, commands, and data readers means you can really control your data flow.
It's like building blocks. You can start simple and add complexity as needed without getting overwhelmed.
Plus, it fosters a good understanding of how the underlying database works without being too complicated.
Exactly. It builds your skills while keeping things user-friendly. I love that balance.
So if we put all this together, what we've got is a super accessible tool that empowers developers.
Absolutely. It's like efcore and Microsoft Data.SQLite open the door for more people to dive into database management.
And really, that's what it's all about, making powerful tools accessible to everyone, right?
Exactly. So if people start using these tools, what new opportunities do you think will open up?
Maybe it'll inspire better data-driven applications or even innovations in how we manage information.
That's an exciting thought. Who knows? We might see an entirely new wave of applications arising from this.
And just imagine the collaborative potential. Developers coming together to refine and enhance our tools.
Yes, it's like the tech community is thriving, and it's people like us who can help drive that change.
Incredible. All of this shows how important community is in the tech world. It truly is a co-discovery journey.
Absolutely. So next time we open efcore, we'll remember we're part of something bigger.
Right. Let's keep exploring and see where this collaboration can take us. There's so much more to discover.